such a pleasure being here in BIPA conference.
It's an excellent international level conference.
Great day of learning, lots of exciting presentations and a galaxy of great speakers, so it's been a really enjoyable day.
Great nice source of networking and a good mixture of academics and then updates in psychiatry.
There was a big buzz created, and it was both due to the quality of the talks and the sessions we had, mixing together of people from all parts of the country, psychiatrists and families.
We had a fantastic number of medical students, foundation doctors, and huge number of resident doctors and SAS doctors who attended the conference.
More than 250 people attended a very nice, informative academic program and then social fun.
Sharing great ideas, sharing great experiences, and meeting friends and family. Please do collaborate with us, and we'll see you again at the next General Conference.
Very happy to be a part of this family, and I wish, if you're not already with us, join us. You will not regret it. This is what we are. We are a big family, and we have fun together, and we all grow together.
Please continue to attend BIPA conference and support our objectives so we can flourish and progress together.
For 2026, we want everybody here, all the Indian psychiatrists, anybody who cares about psychiatry. In fact, aap aaye aur ekdam bahar aaye.